Hello, Louisa. Look at the room. It's so big. From by Hilton. What's that people name? Embassy? Is that how you say in English? Embassy. Okay, thank God no kitchen because I don't like cooking. And then that's the sofa. That's the entry. And then this is the bathroom. Nothing new. And then, oh, I do makeup. Hello, I do makeup. TV, closet. Ooh, I could call someone and sleep with me. So, I like balcony. How you say balcony? And I don't know where my son at. He over there or over there? I don't know. Son, where are you? I'm here looking for you. Son.